Hi, my name is Anshu and welcome to my channel Bottleneck. In this series Agentic AI Cookbook Design Patterns for AI Applications, we are going to learn and implement design patterns which are currently being used across the industry for developing an AI applications. Now, why design patterns? AI agents are stateful, autonomous, multi-step and tool-driven systems, are far more complex than a single LLM prompt. Without patterns, agent systems quickly become fragile, opaque, and unscalable. Patterns make agent behavior predictable, trustworthy, it handles complex multi-step problems. Pattern enables scalability and improves reliability and failure handling, which results in easier debugging and faster development. Alright. What is an agentic AI? Or what makes an AI system an agent? In simple terms, an AI agent is a system designed to perceive its environment and take actions to achieve a specific goal. It's an evolution from a standard large language model enhanced with the abilities to plan, use tools, and interact with its surroundings. Think of an AI agentic AI system as a smart assistant that learns on the job. It follows simple 5-step loop to get things done. First, set the intent. You give it a goal like organize my schedule, then it will observe and perceive. It gathers all the necessary information, reading emails, checking calendars, and accessing context to understand what's happening. Then, a strategic reasoning. It devises a plan of action by considering the optimal approach to achieve the goal. Finally, action execution. It executes the plan by sending invitations, scheduling meetings, and updating your calendar. Now, at the last, adaptive learning, it observes successful outcomes and adapts accordingly. For example, if a meeting is rescheduled, the system learns from this event to enhance its future performance. Alright, now from LLM to agentic AI, the evolution. The core reasoning engine, pure language intelligence, LLM. While an LLM is not an agent in itself, it can serve as a reasoning core of a basic agentic system. The LLM operates without tools, memory, or environment interaction, responding solely based on its pre-trained knowledge. Its strength lies in leveraging its extensive training data to explain established concepts. The trade-off for this powerful internal reasoning is the complete lack of current awareness. Solution to this is a RAG, the connected problem solver, an augmented thinker. At this level, the LLM becomes a functional agent by connecting to and utilizing external tools. Its problem solving is no longer limited to its pre-trained knowledge. Instead, it can execute a sequence of actions to gather and process information from sources like internet via search and databases via RAG. That's still not enough. We need a strategic problem solver, that is an AI agent. At this level, an agent's capability expands significantly, encompassing strategic planning, proactive assistance, and self improvement, with prompt engineering and context engineering as the core enabling skill. Now, the evolution, the collaborative multi agent system. At this level, we see a significant paradigm shift in AI development, moving away from the pursuit of a single all powerful super agent towards the rise of sophisticated, collaborative, and multi agent systems. This approach recognizes that complex challenges are often best solved not by a single entity or person but by a team of specialists working in concert. Now, in this series, we have divided the design patterns into four groups. First is the foundational pattern, which are the basic or the building blocks of the higher or advanced patterns. The first one is context cascade, followed by adaptive routing, parallel execution, cognitive tool use, reflection, task decomposition, multi-agent collaboration. Then we will go for an intelligent and adaptation, where we will talk about memory management. We will see the different patterns that are there for memory management and learning adaptation context protocol, that is MCP. Finally, goal setting and monitoring. Then we will go into reliability and human intelligence. Well, in few cases AI intelligence is not enough. We require exception handling, human in the loop, and finally a RAG. We will see different type of RAGs as well. Now, At the end, scaling systems with enhanced or multi-agent patterns where A to A communication, resource-aware optimization, reasoning techniques, guardrail and safety, prioritization pattern, evaluation and monitoring. Now, we will be using LangChain along with its stateful extension of LangGraph for all the exercises. LangChain provides a flexible way to chain together the language models and other components, offering a robust canvas for building complex sequence and graphs of operation. However, there are other frameworks like AutoGen, Google ADK, Anthropic, or Crew AI which can be equally used. Please note this series is not a tutorial on LangChain. Rather, we are using LangChain to stimulate the agentic AI design pattern. Simple use case. Alright, now we will see you in the next video. Thank you.